Nigeria set to receive first 3 M-346 combat jets in 2025. Top brass from the Nigerian Air Force (NAF), alongside officials from the Defense and Finance Ministries, recently made a trip to Italy to seal the deal on acquiring 24 M-346 fighter jets and 10 AW109 Trekker helicopters from Leonardo. During the visit, the delegation, led by Air Marshal Hassan Abubakar, got a first-hand look at the first 6 jets, with 3 nearing completion. Nigeria's team was briefed on the delivery timeline, with the first 3 jets expected to land in 2025. Deliveries will continue through mid-2026, while the helicopters are slated to arrive in early 2025. Plans are also underway to establish a program management office and a support center in Nigeria to keep operations running smoothly. The M-346 jets will significantly boost NAF's combat capabilities, handling both air-to-air and air-to-ground missions, while the AW109 helicopters will take on key roles like search and rescue, tactical transport, and medevac. These acquisitions are a crucial part of Nigeria's strategy to modernize its air fleet, aiming for more agility and operational efficiency. The Leonardo M-346 is a versatile jet, designed for both pilot training and light combat. It's 11.49 meters long with a 9.72 meter wingspan and a max takeoff weight of 9,500 kilograms. Powered by 2 Honeywell F124GA200 turbojet engines, the jet can hit speeds over 1,060 km/h and soar at altitudes of up to 13,716 meters. Known for its agility, the M-346 can pull off complex aerial maneuvers, simulating modern combat aircraft. This jet can pack a punch too. With 9 external hardpoints, it can be armed with air-to-air missiles like the AIM-9 Sidewinder, air-to-surface missiles, guided bombs, and even recon pods. Its advanced avionics, integrated with a sophisticated weapons control system, make it a precision strike platform. Pilots benefit from multifunction displays,